Meaning of incarnation.
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 Incarnation. The word incarnation is typically used to refer to the belief that a deity or divine being takes on human form. In Christianity, it specifically refers to the belief that Jesus Christ was God incarnate. More broadly, it can also refer to any instance of a concept or idea taking on a tangible or physical form. This could include a person embodying certain traits or characteristics, e.g., she was the incarnation of grace and elegance, or a creative work perfectly capturing a particular mood or emotion, e.g., the film was the incarnation of romantic melancholy.